Okay, I'm going to show you two different methods for stitching the egg decoration. First of all, you need to just get yourself double knot or triple knot at the end of your thread here. There we go. And we're going to start. So the first method, we're going to start on the left hand side, and we are going to bring the thread across. And now with this method, wherever you come down, you always go to the hole on that side but beneath it. It's a little bit tricky at the top, but once you've got the gist of it further down, this will make more sense. And then you're going to join onto that end there. Okay, and then we're going to come down. So we went down this hole, so then we're going to come up this one and join onto the end of the pattern. And so it goes. So we're going to come up and then across and down to continue the pattern, and then you'll soon get the hang of it. It's quite difficult to explain in words, so hence doing this little blog post to show you. So come up the hole beneath where you go down. So you come down there, so you come up in the hole, and just remember to join onto that end of the pattern. Obviously it gets faster as the amount of thread reduces, and also gets faster as you get more used to stitching like this. The first few times I did it, I found it slightly counterintuitive, so I made a couple of mistakes and ended up having to redo it. But this is quite satisfying once you know how. So we're making a bit of progress now. So hole beneath, join on to the end of your pattern. Oops, came up the wrong one there. Here we go. Obviously gets a little bit tighter, a bit more packed in at the bottom here, but if you just always remember, hole beneath and join the end of the pattern. So in this case, we're going to join it from, I'm just trying to look, we're going to join it from this direction, like that. And that's your finished pattern in the blue. And now I'm going to show you a different technique. Some people might find this second approach a little bit simpler, but once you have the first one in your mind, it's all good. So double knot as before. I'm going to start on the left hand side. Whoops, my double knot has gone through. So we're going to start on the left hand side, and then we're just going to go across from side to side. So we're just going to start off by creating these straight lines. Like so. Whoops, not sure where that went. There it is. Welcome back. So here's the straight line, and I'll show you the pattern that this makes on the back of the egg as well. So going across here. This is also a pattern that you can try and copy from the illustration. It was hard to explain the other version in words, so we thought we'd do some videos for everybody. Here we go. So we're getting closer now to having our straight lines. I've just got one more to do at the bottom here. Okay, and then, so you can see on the back your pattern, that's just where my original thread came in. So you've got your pattern on the back. Okay, so let's say you start your pattern going in this direction. But what you can do, so you then join that on, you can then go to this next one and then come back down. And then you can come up near, so you're continuing this direction, but you can attack this from both sides. So just like you did really with the straight lines, this is just the exact same process in the other direction. So you're always keeping that angle, but you're just joining. This time you're joining from the top, going to the bottom left, and this time bottom left, up to top right to bottom left, to top right. I don't know which one is quicker actually, but you can see here how it works, and just make sure then on your final one you keep that zigzag squiggle going from the bottom left, whoops, to the top right. There we go, and that's your finished pattern.